Alright, what we have here is a 1933 Dodge Brothers DP Coupe 5-window. Just pulled out of a machine shed in northeast Iowa after 56 years of storage. I've knocked all the dirt off, but I'll show some still photos of it when it came out of the shed. And as you'll see as I go around, it is very original, very complete, and very solid car. It has surface rust, it has some damage from years of storage, and it didn't help that the raccoons managed to find their way inside during the storage time frame. But it is extremely solid. Still has the original flathead 6 that it came with from the factory. It is the PD number. The number on the engine matches a 1939 registration that we have. There's some original paperwork in the original owner's name from the 30s. The last oil change was done in 1961. That is on the door frame, and at the time it had 51,000 miles on it. As I said, the raccoons got under the interior. They managed to get the other door open and got in that way. Now, here's the oil change sticker, if I can locate it, from way back in 1962, excuse me. All right, this light here I do believe is an aftermarket accessory somebody added. It does have the factory or the dealer accessory Motorola radio. It also has the dealer accessory rear view mirror with clock. It has the correct visors for the coupe. The sunlight, the interior dome light is still in place, but then the headliner's pulled out. The car has 51,000, if I can get in there, 237.8 miles on it. That's the accessory cigarette lighter or cigar lighter. Floor mats, not in the greatest shape, but there for a pattern. This particular running board is in excellent shape. All right, and this is what you want to hear when you shut a door. Nice, solid shut. Let me go ahead and reopen that because I want to show the window rolls up nice and easy. And up she goes. When I found it, it had 4 flat tires. I have put in new tubes so they stay aired up, and I can push it in and out of the garage. I have not attempted to start it and will not attempt to start it. Has one broken taillight lens back here, and you can see it still wears the 1965 Iowa plates that it had when it went into storage. Like I said, the car is very complete. The original spare is still in place. The trunk is solid. I have the mat in the garage, but you can see very solid construction, not rusted all out, ready for restoration. Original gas cap even. I have not used any chemical cleaners, only soap and water. Haven't used anything to enhance the paint. Haven't attempted to polish it out or buff it out in any way. This running board does have some damage in the center. The available reproduction running boards are available. It appears that the raccoons attempted to get in on top first before they managed to get this door open. And this door was open when we pulled it out of storage. Okay. Has the roll down shade over the back window. Interior, not in the greatest shape, but the material and patterns are there so you can reproduce it. Again, window rolls down nice and easy on this side too. Okay. All right. Go ahead and shut that. Nice solid shut on that side too. All 4 original hubcaps are there. They will need to be replated. It does have a nice set of accessories. The dual trumpet horns are there. Crank hole cover is there. I even have the original tools, or what's left of the original tools, in the back. One of the main parts that is missing is, if you see this, 3 of them are in place. That one's missing. Okay, beautiful, very straight. The only good dent I found is here on the hood. Hopefully you can see it there. Good body man will be able to work that out fairly easily. Even the original ram hood ornament is still in place. Back somewhere years ago, the windshield evidently got hit. It's got a piercing on this side, and that's allowed it to separate. Don't know what happened, but it's open. And that's the car. Beautiful lines, ready for somebody to love it and bring it back to life. Here are the tools that were found in the trunk. I have not attempted to clean them up. The original hand crank, in case your battery went dead, you can start the car. There is a small adjustable wrench. I do believe that's for removing the hubcaps. A grease gun, hammer, long regular screwdriver, short regular screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a small wrench is all that I found in there. And of course the tire iron. Those were all in the trunk. They'll need to be cleaned up. If you can't make them all good, at least you got patterns to know what you're looking for in a replacement.